This is a C tutorial being done in the Unix platform. We are now at /home/guest as our current directory, and we are using Linux Gentoo kernel 26.34 revision 6. And in this tutorial, we will be using the GCC version 4.4.3. The first thing we do is we create a src folder to store our program, and we go to that folder. Now we will create hello.c file to contain our first C program. This is a comment, and it will describe uh, what this program is all about. It is wrapped in slash asterisk and asterisk slash delimiters. The frame of every C program is this simple frame. Its entry point is main, and it returns 0 to the operating system. This means success. A return of non-zero means failure. So this is a very basic C program with no trailing part in it. Just demonstrate how simple a C program can be. It's time to compile the C program, and let's write the output that to hello. Now we have two files, a hello and a hello.c. And the content of the hello.c is this one. The file type of hello.c is an ASCII text, while the file type of the compiled output hello is an executable binary. Now, this file type is located, or command line is located in /r bin file, and it belongs to the sysapps file. This is one of the most nice things in Unix, when you can use a lot of useful command line utility tools. And the sysapps slash file also contains the following files in our box here. There are 12 of them. And the sysapps file package can be found at this FTP site. You can go to this website and see the authors and download the source code. And we can now try to create a simple script that calls our program. And if the program runs successfully, we print program ran successfully. Otherwise, we print program failed. This is a shell script which calls our binary executable program. As you can see, the program runs successfully because it returns 0. You can also do it like this. This is one of the nice ways of working on Unix platform, because there's such a very powerful integration with command line script and our executable program. So the output of this program is okay, and they're the same. Let's edit our program, and this time we make it return any non-zero value, so we'll return 5. So since it is non-zero, return 5 means failure. And before the program takes effect, we have to recompile it again and run the script. This time the program has failed because it returned a non-zero. The return value of every program is contained in the dollar question mark environment variable. It should be run immediately after the program is run. This value is lost at a later time. Okay, we're using Linux here, and specifically Gentoo. And on this example, we try to go inside a kernel source code. Gentoo is one of these very unique Linux variants wherein the source code is always in our box. Unlike binary distribution variants like Red Hat or Ubuntu, where it is very difficult to find, or I mean, it's relatively hard to find the source code. Even though that's not the case because the source code has first to be in there to compile the binary. Now let's go back to our hello.c program and we'll edit the file. And this time we will try to add more functionalities in it. We will try to make the program print the string hello world. Before we can do that, we have to include the header file stdio.c that contains the printf function. The printf function is not part of the C core syntax language. It's an extension to the C language implemented as a library. Now we have to recompile the program again, but this time we have to split the output into another executable, hello to. We now have three files, two binary and one source code. And if you run hello2, we now see the hello world output. So this wraps up our tutorial at this point in time in how to make a very simple C program in the Unix environment. Thank you and have a nice day.